مدارس منارات تبوك النموذجية الأهلية. بناء الشخصية هدفنا.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome my students. أهلا بكم طلابي. First intermediate students أو المتوسط. Unit 6, Lesson 2. Unit 6, the school trip. Lesson 2, the largest and the longest. Pages number 52 and 53. Yes, I want you to open your books on page 52 and page 53 also. Yes, the school trip. Lesson 2. What is the title? The largest and the longest. Read exercise number 1. Read, say and write. أقرأ, قل, واكتب. A. Read about the Lake District. Look at the photos. These are photos from the Lake District. صور من منطقة البحيرة. This is a district وهي منطقة in England في إنجلترا. We have questions here. The first question. Is Scafell Pike a lake or a mountain? هل سكافل بايك بحيرة أم أنه جبل؟ I think it is a mountain. Yes, Scafell Pike is a mountain. Is Wastewater a lake or a mountain? هل هي Wastewater lake بحيرة أم أنها جبل؟ I think it is a lake. Yes, Wastewater is a lake. Wastewater, I think it's pronounced like Wastewater. Okay, look at the map. This is the Lake District in England. The Lake District in the northwest of England is one of the most popular tourist areas in the country. Yes. منطقة البحيرات في شمال غرب إنجلترا هي واحدة من أكثر مناطق السياحة شعبية في البلاد. The most popular tourist, what's the meaning of tourist? سياحة, سائح. Areas, منطقة. It is famous for its beauty, its lakes and its mountains. وهي معروفة مشهورة بجمالها, بحيراتها وجبالها. The population of the Lake District is 42,000, but about 15 million tourists visit every year. What's the meaning of population? Sorry, it means عدد السكان. عدد سكان هذه المنطقة 42,000, 42,000. But about 15.5 million tourists, حوالي 15.5 مليون سائح يزورونها كل سنة. The Lake District covers an area of 2,292 square kilometers. Square means مربع. تغطي مساحة قدرها 2292 كيلومتر مربع. Pike, جبل أو قمة سكافل, 978 meters, 978 يعني تقريبا كيلومتر, is the highest mountain in England. هي أعلى جبل في إنجلترا. Lake Windermere يوجد في المنطقة بحيرة اسمها بحيرة ويندرمير. is the largest, هي أكبر بحيرة, about 14.5 square kilometers مساحتها, and the longest وهي الأطول كذلك 19.3 kilometers lake in England, وهي أطول بحيرة أيضا في إنجلترا. Wastewater is the deepest, وWastewater هي الأعمق, 76 meters عمقها 76 مترا. lake in the country هي أعمق بحيرة. طبعا the deepest, the largest, the longest هذه كلها تسمى superlative, تفضيل, because they end with est and the adjective is preceded by the deepest, the tallest, the shortest, the highest, the youngest, the oldest, كلها تسمى تفضيل, superlative. Yes. Exercise B, read again. We have to do the true false exercise. Number 1, people visit the Lake District than live there. Is that true or false? More people, ناس أكثر يزورون البحيرة من الذين يعيشون فيها, and that's of course true. Sorry, number 2. Lake Windermere is deeper than Wastewater. بحيرة Windermere هي أعمق من Wastewater. That's wrong. لأن Wastewater هي الأعمق. False. Deep, deeper. مقارنة. إضافة ER هذا يعني المقارنة وكلمة than وأخذنا هذا سابقا. Deep, deeper. Short, shorter. لا. عندما نقول the deepest, the shortest هذا تفضيل. But deeper, shorter هذه مقارنة وخاصة وجود كلمة than. Number 3. Wastewater is larger than Windermere. بحيرة Wastewater هي أكبر من بحيرة Windermere. I think this is also false وهو أيضا خطأ because Windermere is also the largest. Yes, let's move to exercise to look. Exercise number 2. Look. How far is it? How far? What's the meaning of how far? It means كم المسافة. For example, how far is Medina from Tabuk? It's about 700 kilometers. And also we have how long. And when we use how long, we are talking about time. How long is the trip from Tabuk to Medina? It's about 7 hours, for example. 7 ساعات. So how far للمسافة بالكيلومترات. How long للمسافة بالساعات أو بالزمن. Yes, repeat after me. How far? How long? How far? How long? Yes, example. How far is it? 100 kilometers. كم بعدها؟ 400 kilometers. How long is the journey? مدة الرحلة. How long? It is 4 hours. 4 ساعات. Now I want you to listen to exercise number 3. Listen to the conversation. The conversation is shown on page number 53. We have some questions about the picture and the conversation. Look at the photo. As you can see, Nina, Elena, Lucy, and this is another girl. They are sitting in the bus, in the coach. And this is the teacher. I think her name is Miss Jennings. Yeah, look at Nina. What is she doing? In this photo, she is using the computer. What do you think? What do you think she is doing? I think she is writing an email or sending an email to her friend. Yes. So in pairs, who can you see? What are they doing? We can see Nina, Lucy, and Elena on a coach. Coach means bus. Yeah. They are going to the Lake District. What 2 things does Miss Jennings want all the students to do? ما الأمرين الذين تريد المدرسة جينينغز من الطالبات أن يفعلنه؟ She wants them to sit down with their seat belts on. تريد منهم الجلوس ووضع حزام الأمان. She wants them to stay together وأن يبقوا مع بعض. Together. Yes, let's listen to the conversation.
Lesson 2. The largest and the longest. Exercise 3. Say and listen.
Now then, everybody. Sit down, all of you, and put on your seat belts.
Yes, Miss Jennings.
Do you all have your picnics?
Yes, Miss Jennings.
Good. Now, we're driving to Lake Windermere first. What do you know about Lake Windermere, Lucy?
It's the longest lake in England, Miss Jennings. And the largest.
Correct, Nina.
How far is it, Miss Jennings? And how long is the journey?
It's 400 kilometres, Lucy. That's about, 4 hours. Then, after Windermere, we're going to Scafell Pike.
Isn't that the highest mountain in England, Miss Jennings?
Well done, Elena. Now, listen, this is very important. I want you all to stay together. I don't want any of you to get lost. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss Jennings.
Yes, listen again. Answer the questions. Question number 1. Where are they going first? Where are they going first? As we saw in the conversation, كما شاهدنا في المحادثة, they are going to Lake Windermere. To Lake Windermere, write down, اكتبوا الجواب. Question number 2, yes, read it. How far is it? What's the meaning of how far? كم المسافة؟ كم تبعد؟ 400 kilometers. Question number 3, how long is the journey? كم مدة الرحلة؟ About 4 hours. حوالي 4 ساعات. حوالي 4 ساعات. Question number 4, where are they going after that? إلى أين سيذهبون بعد ذلك? To Scafell Pike. إلى جبل Pike. Scafell. جبل Scafell Pike. Yes. Exercise number 4, read, say and write. Read Nina's email to Rima. اقرأوا هذا الإيميل إلى ريما. Find and correct 5 mistakes. أوجدوا 5 أخطاء about the trip عن هذه الرحلة. Dear Rima, I'm writing this on the coach. It's a long journey to the Lake District, 5 hours. First, we are going to a mountain called Scafell Pike and then to Lake Windermere. So not 5 hours. And first they are going to Windermere and then to Scafell Pike. Windermere is the deepest, not the deepest, it is the largest lake in England. We left school at 7 o'clock. No. And we get back. We left school at 7 o'clock and we get back at 7 this evening. It's a long day, but I'm really looking forward to it. I'm hungry, so I'm eating one of the sandwiches Mom made me. I can have the other one at lunchtime. Okay, I want to stop now and finish the letter on the way back. Then I can tell you about the day. Okay, 5 hours, no, 4 hours. A mountain called Scafell Pike, Lake Windermere. Lake Windermere first, then Scafell Pike. Yes, the same mistake. Deepest, no, longest. 7, no, 8 o'clock. Exercise 5, complete and match. التمرين الخامس، أكمل ووصل. Complete the questions. أكمل هذه الأسئلة and match them with answers ووصلها مع الأجوبة. Use these words: far, much. Far, long, much. Number 1, how far is it from Oxford to the Lake District? How far? كم تبعد؟ الجواب C, 400 kilometers. نضع الفراغ far ونوصلها إلى C. Number 2, how space is the journey? How space is the journey? How long is the journey? كم مدة الرحلة؟ نوصلها إلى A, 4 hours 4 ساعات. 4 ساعات. And number 3, how much? كم سعر is the coat? الجواب B, 18 pounds. 18 pounds. Okay, the last exercise, read, اقرأ. Hi Omar, my head teacher says you can visit my school. المدير يقول أنك تستطيع زيارة المدرسة. Would you like to come? هل تود المجيء؟ And ask Rima please. وأطلب أيضا من ريما أيضا. Would she like to visit Nina's school? هل تود أن تزور مدرسة نينا؟ Fred. Thank you very much. شكرا لكم على حسن الاستماع. أتمنى أن تحلوا الواجب في الصفحة 128 129. شكرا لكم جميعا على حسن استماعكم وأتمنى أن تعيدوا هذا الفيديو. Repeat this video as many times to benefit from the new vocabulary المفردات الجديدة والقواعد. Thank you very much. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.